Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be talking about one of the Marvel characters, that is the Hulk. We'll be talking about the powers and the abilities which have been shown in the comics but have not been elaborated in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. So let us begin. To begin with, we have the Thunderclap. The Thunderclap was seen in 2008's The Incredible Hulk movie. There, Hulk puts out the fire of a helicopter by doing so, while he was fighting Abomination. So, with this ability of Hulk, he creates powerful shockwaves of sound and air. It is so powerful that it can even tear a normal human into two. The next we'll be talking about is the astral forms. Hulk is able to see the astral forms like that of Doctor Strange. He can also see the monsters that only Doctor Strange can see. In comics, at times he had fought alongside Doctor Strange with interdimensional monsters, so we have included this in our list. The next one is the durability. This is more of a physical trait than a power, so we will deal it as a physical trait. So when Bruce turns out into Hulk, then his skin is nearly indestructible. He very rarely gets wounded due to this. But in Infinity War, we all have seen that while he was fighting Thanos, he was no match for Thanos. The next power we are talking about is his speed. We all are unaware, but Hulk is incredibly fast. He is not a speedster like Flash or Quicksilver, but he is faster than anyone else. He can run with the speed of 900 miles per hour. We have seen its glimpse in 2003's Hulk movie, where he ran faster than a military chopper. The next power we are going to talk about is the dimensional barrier. As we all know that Hulk is the mightiest of all the superheroes. We all have seen that how powerful his punches are. We have seen him shattering the buildings, wreaking havoc and beating the crap out of his enemies. But his punches are more powerful than that. He can break through any dimensional barrier through his punches. The next power is the regeneration. At times, when Hulk's durability is not enough, then the regeneration power kicks in. But this power is limited to the comics, as we have not seen this in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. In the Infinity War, when Hulk was all beaten up by Thanos, bruises were all over his body. And even when Heimdall sent him to Earth, then also his body was all bruised up and he did not heal even a bit. The next power we'll be talking about is his immunity to psychic attacks. Hulk is immune to psychic attacks. That is basically because of the rage that is filled inside his head. No one is able to bear that rage and no one can control his mind. At times, Sentry made the word to forget about his existence, but that did not work on Hulk. So guys, this was the end of our video. If you have enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button with the bell icon next to it. Thank you.